Hey everyone, welcome to the Fresh Plate. And today we are diving into this delicious ciabatta sandwich, which is super easy and quick to make. You can make it on high teas or in kid lunchbox. But if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and hit the bell icon and never miss an update. So let's get started. First we have two chicken breasts sliced and pounded till thin. And we have to marinate this chicken. 1/4 cup of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, zest of 1 lime, 2 teaspoons of coriander, very finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin powder, half tablespoon honey. Mix all ingredients and marinate for 1 hour. For the sambal mayonnaise sauce, 2 tablespoon mayonnaise, 2 teaspoon sambal oil sauce, 1 teaspoon mustard, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. Mix well and set aside. After 1 hour, grill chicken on medium-high flame for 6 to 7 minutes total. Add leftover marination to chicken for more flavor. When chicken is nicely cooked, remove from heat and set aside. For assembling, we need 4 ciabatta breads, cut through center, rocket leaves, shredded cheese. You can use cheddar cheese or mild Gouda cheese. Slice the ciabatta in half, generously put sauce on both sides. On the other side, we have to add cheese, which has to be grilled into the preheated oven for 5 minutes. Now add rocket leaves along with the chicken on one side of the bread. After 5 minutes, take out the bread and cover the sandwich. Cut through the center and enjoy. Hope you like the video. Do share your comments and give me your feedback. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.